All right, y'all. Happy Sunday, social media world. Hey, y'all. This is attempt number 4 on this video. So, welcome back. You can go back and watch video part 1 and part 2 after this, I guess. Whew, Facebook, you're messing up my game. It's okay. I'm grateful to you, Facebook. What's going on, Ashley? So, y'all, once again, for like the 5th time tonight, if you're watching this live, let me know how your Sunday's going. If you're catching the replay, let me know what time it is. Thank you for pressing play on the replay. And let's finish up this warm goat cheese and beet salad with the Sherry Vinaigrette once and for all, okay? And I'll have my last sip of wine. I'm so sorry. Forgive me for not saying cheers. Okay, so we made the dressing. We put the beets in the dressing to marinate. Welcome back, Dwayne. Facebook is messing up my game. And it had nothing to do with the stamina or the nutcrackers. Okay, we talked about, we didn't talk about goat cheese. I was just about to tell you about the goat cheese. So all I did was just buy goat cheese from the cheese aisle of the grocery store. And what I do is I let it get to room temperature, and then I put it in a bowl and I just mix it, whip it, and because it's room temperature, it just gets whipped. And then I put some pepper on there. And I'm gonna top it with something really, really special. I can't wait for this. So I'll tell you about this when I put it all together. Okay, so and we chopped up the pistachios. We've got our pistachios chopped. What's going on, Kevin Palmer? Okay, so literally all we have to do now is put it all together. First, I'm gonna wash my field greens, and I'm actually gonna add in some arugula because I have some arugula that I need to use up, and I think it will taste really, really good. If you just wanna use a spring mix, that's totally fine. You don't have to add in the arugula. Like I said, I just have it and I need to use it up. So I love this Olivia's organic spring mix with herbs. This is also an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K. And it's proudly grown by American farmers. So what's better than that, right? So it says that it's washed, but with any of these like pre-washed lettuce mixes and things like that, I like to wash them again just to be sure. So I'm gonna take a nice big handful because I'm just having the salad for dinner. I'm not having any fish or chicken or meat. So I need to really, beef it up. Okay, and then I've got this beautiful bag of arugula that's farm fresh from the farmer's market. And it's been sitting in there for a while. So I just need to go through and pick out like the good leaves and separate the old leaves from the new leaves. Hey, make sure you say hey when you hop on. Let me know what exciting is going on your Sunday. Boop, boop. Just trying to show off my Kylie braid. I saw the way she did her hair in her one of her last videos, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love that, and I could totally do that to my hair. So I did it. What do you think? Rate a braid, 1 to 10. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a couple pieces here just because I love the way arugula tastes. Hey, what's going on, Miss Samantha Nicole? Y'all, if you're not following Miss Samantha Nicole, go after this video is over. Don't go yet. Go after this video is over and follow her. She is amazing. She's doing amazing things, and she puts out insane, valuable content. So go on over there after this video is over. Okay, so oh my gosh, Dwayne, we are getting too crazy for Facebook. It does look like Princess Leia, doesn't it? Okay, so I've got my colander filled with greens. I'm gonna go wash it. Like I said, I really like to just wash the pre-mixes, and the lettuce just to make sure, because you never know, like, what if the person that packaged it didn't wash their hands? These are just the things I think about. Okay, so I'm washing the lettuce. So what's going on? What's exciting going on your Sunday? Tell me a blessing that happened in your world today. Y'all, I could list so many. I'm done with this, and as soon as you tell me a blessing that happened in your world, I'm gonna finish up with the 6 reasons why you wanna make sure you're eating beets, right? Because that's the title of this video, how to use nature's candy to help your family live longer, healthier lives, right? In the last video, we went over points 1 through 5. I'm gonna recap them really quick, and I'm gonna give you point 6. Okay, so I'm just gonna dry these greens. So I think it's just worth it to, wash them the second time. Samantha Nicole said, I went to a women's wellness event today, and I was nervous to go by myself, but I did it, and it was amazing. Wow. Let's celebrate Miss Samantha Nicole. That is amazing, because it can be really nerve-wracking, right, to step out of your comfort zone and go someplace by yourself, especially like a place where you know there's going to be a lot of people, right? And that congratulations that you went for it and did it, and you had an amazing time, right? Okay. And yes, girl, I take myself out to eat. I go places all the time by myself. I act like I really don't have a choice, but because I'm kind of flying solo over here. But no, I love it. I love it. I love hanging out with myself. And that's like, I really want to get, not to sidetrack from what about this video is about, but I really want to get into talking a lot here about just loving yourself, right? Like just loving yourself, just loving being with yourself, loving who you are, not being afraid to go and sit in a totally packed, crowded restaurant, sit there right in the middle at a table for 2 by yourself, have a glass of wine or no wine, and just enjoy yourself. Not be on your phone, or be on your phone, whatever, but not be on your phone because you're nervous because you're being there by yourself. Maybe you need to be on your phone for business or check on someone, whatever, but just be in the moment of enjoying being with yourself. Y'all know what I'm saying. Samantha Nicole knows what I'm saying. Okay. So the lettuce is all ready. The beets are just gonna marinate for a couple more minutes. So let's go over these reasons why you wanna eat nature's candy, AKA beets. Besides the fact that they're delicious. Remember, I got this information from Mercola.com. So point 1 was they lower your blood pressure. Some people that were drinking beet juice, which is the same as eating the beets on the salad. What's going on, Miss Becky Covington? Their blood pressure was lowered by 4 to 5 points. The systolic blood pressure was lowered by 4 to 5 points. So eating beets can lower your blood pressure. Second, they boost your stamina. And y'all, it's just a theory, but if they can boost, the people that drank beet juice or ate beets prior to exercise were able to go 16% longer during their exercise routine. And y'all, it's just a theory. I proposed this on the last video. But if drinking beet juice or eating beets allows you to go 16% longer in the gym, what do you think it's gonna do in the bedroom? That's all I'm saying. Okay. P.S. that has to do with like the nitrates that the beets have and how our body turns it into nitric oxide and what our body's able to do with nitric oxide. But that's all just scientific. You just have to eat the beets and know that they're gonna deliver. Okay. Number 3, they fight inflammation. We all know, like I said in the last video, everybody and their mother is doing a video on why inflammation's bad. But beets fight inflammation because of betaine, betaine, which is a nutrient that helps protect our cells from environmental stress. So number 3, they fight inflammation. Number 4, they have anti-cancer properties. I repeat, number 4, beets have anti-cancer properties. No explanation needed. Let's just eat more of them, right? Beet juice, beets on salad, beets in smoothies. However we get the beets, let's just eat more of them. Number 5, they're rich in valuable nutrients and fiber. Oh gosh, vitamin C, potassium, manganese, B, vitamin folate for all my women that want to get pregnant or are nursing. Especially B vitamin folate is really important. And number six, Beets have detoxification support. So detoxification is getting the toxins out of our body, right? Toxins come in all different shapes, sizes, from all different places. And so beets help remove toxins, especially in our blood and our liver. How awesome is that? So, and you just get all that from eating nature's candy. They literally taste like candy. They're so good. They're so good. Feed them to your children. Feed them to yourself. Let's get them in our bodies. And Dwayne says they're super easy to grow. Thank you for that point, because you know, what a great project for next summer to plan to grow some beets in your garden, right? And up until then, between now and then, you can get them at the grocery store or the farmer's market. So, or you can order them offline. I mean, you could get them anywhere. You also want to eat the beet greens, which are, I wanted to show you what my sister took them. They're the greens. They look like these, but they're big. They look like Swiss chard or collard greens. Yeah, Swiss chard or collard greens, but they're attached to the beet, so you can just chop them off, put them aside. Check this out. Beet greens have more iron than spinach, and they have protein, phosphorus, zinc, fiber, vitamin B6, magnesium, potassium, copper, manganese, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and like I said, they have more iron than spinach, so you want to eat the beet greens too. Okay, so let's put the salad together. Did I sell you on why you want to eat beet greens and beets and all that good stuff? I hope so. Okay, so we've got our bed of greens here. I'm gonna put the beets on right on top, and like I said, they've been marinating in the dressing, so that dressing is gonna get right on top there. All right. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna do, let's see. Welcome back, Brian. I got kicked off. I can't explain. So I have this whipped goat cheese, and I'm just gonna take little balls off the mother mass. Woo! And just plop them into the salad, right? By the way, y'all, this isn't really warm anymore because I roasted these beets like hours ago. And anyway, if you did them right out of the oven, oof, that's where it would be at. Okay, so I think this is enough for me right now because this is a salad for one. Lucky, you want some salad? Kids are already in bed. They had like cotton candy and that kind of stuff today. They were with my aunt. Okay, what's going on, Andrew? And then I'm gonna put the pistachios, the roasted chopped pistachios all over. Ooh! I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil. Okay. Okay, and check this out. Oh, this is the final touch. This is what I am so excited about. Let's see. Yeah, I'll do it right here. Okay, this is called Mike's Hot Honey. It's honey, it's infused with chilies, and it's so yummy. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is so good. Like, I'm literally going to sample this right now. Like, it just, so good. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna do a light drizzle over this because it tastes so good with the goat cheese, but it's gonna taste good with the beets too. Woo! Y'all, this is where it's at. Y'all, just remember, okay, when you used to watch the Boss Babe Kitchen before it blew up. Okay. Okay, let me show you. Boom! Boom, what do you think about that? Rate that. 1 to 10. How's it look? I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna do a little sprinkle of the pink Himalayan sea salt because that just makes everything taste so good. And I'm going to bring it over and have some salad for myself. Woo! All right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna just go pour myself a little bit more wine. Have my salad. Thanks for tuning in. Listen, if you want this recipe delivered to your direct message, I will send it to you. Just drop salad and I'll get it right to your inbox so you can make this really simple, delicious, healthy salad right at home, help you and your family live longer and healthier just by eating this deliciousness. Ooh, boom. Ooh, look at that. All right, y'all. Drop salad if you want the recipe so you can make it yourself. Mwah! Boss Babe Kitchen signing off.